Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, POCO X5 device, and I'm going to show you how to improve battery life on the smartphone. So firstly, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. So, for example, if you are using Wi-Fi right now but not using mobile data, just disable it. If you are using mobile data but not using Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi, because when one of these features is enabled, it's constantly searching for the network's Wi-Fi for available Wi-Fi networks, mobile data for 5G or 4G. So great. Then, if you are not using Bluetooth right now, disable it. If you are not using NFC and location access, just disable it, because it's constantly searching for their services or chips. If you are not using new BSHA right now, just disable it. Then, open Settings and open Display and enable Dark Mode. In the Dark Mode, your screen is darker, white parts of your screen are black, and because you have LED screen, your screen created from thousands of mini LED lamps, and in this way, in dark places, these lamps are disabled and not consumes your battery power. So if you are using dark mode in dark parts of your screen is just disabled, and in this situation, this screen, for example, over 50% of my screen is disabled, so it's 50% less of battery consumption. So great. Then of course you can scroll down and find battery here, and here you have two options to choose: battery saver and ultra battery saver. Using battery saver, you will improve your battery life for 2 hours, for example. Click OK. And in ultra battery saver mode, you will improve your battery power in 2 times, 2 and 0%. But in this mode, of course, you can't use many applications. You can use only, I will show you, you can use only maybe 6 apps, but if you will add games or YouTube here, this mode will be useless. So add here only most important apps, okay? Only the most important apps. Party apps normally consumes more power. Okay, so for example, okay, maybe music, maybe no, file manager, and clock, for example. Click down, and as you can see, I can't add more apps. I can use only 9 apps in this mode. Of course, I can use third-party applications, but it will consume more battery power because they are not optimized to this super power saving mode. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!